Yo, I'm Ryan. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to be telling you that I put Doom in ComfyUI. And I did this for a few reasons, but the principal reason is for posterity. For the benefit of all future generations, I've done this. So before I continue, let me invite you to follow me on all my social platforms, especially X. I just created an account over there and I have like 9 followers and I'm very lonely. I tweet into the void. Here's my dog. He just came in. This is my dog. Sorry, buddy. But yeah, follow me on X, Instagram. Check out the Civit profile. I've got a bunch of workflows and other things that I've released there, music visualizers and stuff. And of course, check out the rest of my Node suite. In there, you'll find some really powerful feature reactivity. So audio reactivity, motion, depth, time, color, MIDI, proximity, all this stuff. Very, very fun to use. I hope you guys think it's fun too. To play Doom, all you need to do is install my nodes and add the Doom node. Then go ahead and click this button. Let it think for a second. And here you have it. Go ahead and play for a second. Yeah, so it's fully featured Doom in ComfyUI because we needed it, you know? It felt right to do. So here we go. All right, before I drone on for too long, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments. Subscribe to this channel, like the video, comment, check out my other stuff. Give me a star on the GitHub, all that. Okay, I'm Ryan still. Okay, bye-bye.